Ever wondered how safe you are in the vast world of the internet? As we journey through the web, we leave digital footprints behind. These footprints, when not protected, can lead to a multitude of potential threats. With the world becoming increasingly interconnected, our reliance on the internet and digital solutions has skyrocketed. We shop, we bank, we socialize, and we work online. This shift to digital has undoubtedly made our lives more convenient, but it has also increased our exposure to threats. From identity theft to financial fraud, the dangers are real and ever present. The consequences can be disastrous, impacting not just our digital lives, but our real ones too. That's why it's so important to arm ourselves with the right knowledge and tools to stay safe online. Online safety isn't just about protecting our data, it's about protecting our lives and our freedom. Now that we've established the importance of online safety, let's delve into what cybersecurity is. So, what exactly is cybersecurity? Glad you asked. Picture this: a vast digital landscape littered with countless internet-connected systems. These systems, like your smartphone or your laptop, are constantly under threat from digital predators lurking in the shadows. This is where cybersecurity steps in, like a vigilant guard, to protect these systems. Cybersecurity, in essence, is the practice of defending these devices, networks, and data from digital attacks. It's about creating a safe environment for us to live, work, and play in the digital world. Now, cybersecurity isn't a one-size-fits-all umbrella term. It branches out into different types, each addressing specific areas of concern. There's network security, which protects the integrity of your network, information security, guarding your precious data, and application security, securing the apps you use every day from vulnerabilities. Cybersecurity isn't just a concept, it's a necessary practice for everyone using the internet. Let's summarize what we've learned about cybersecurity. At its core, cybersecurity is the practice of safeguarding our digital lives. It's like a digital fortress protecting us from a myriad of threats, from malware to phishing, and from ransomware to data breaches. In the vast world of the internet, online safety is not just a necessity, it's a must. It's not just something for the tech enthusiasts to worry about. It's something that everyone, from your 10-year-old niece to your 80-year-old grandmother, should prioritize. Remember, cybersecurity comes in many forms. There's network security, application security, information security, and operational security, to name a few. Each of these types focuses on different aspects of protection, ensuring a comprehensive shield against digital threats. To wrap it up, cybersecurity is our knight in shining armor in the digital realm, fighting off the dragons of cyber threats. Remember, in the digital world, staying safe is as important as being connected. Make cybersecurity a priority.